Okay, to be able to work and generate similar front end from a ChatGPT style here, you use the Streamlit of the simple way. To do that, let's install the Streamlit. Okay, before in the background here, let's start your development. So I will return here a man, and we will import Streamlit as st. It's a pretty simple to work with the Streamlit, so we will set st set page config, so the page title will be Petshop Copilot AI. The layout will be wild, not wild, but white. Let's put the title as Petshop Copilot AI. Let's get a small text here with right get tailored advice and top recommendations from where specialists just talk. Okay. Let's get the question. Well, we set here the question, right? So let's get text input here as ask your question. If the st button, call it search, and we'll with spinner, right, to loading within the I ask a question here, spinner, call it search for searching. Right, we will have the agent, so let's put on the end of the spinner, so we'll put the agent here with the executor. I will not using that anymore, and inside get it's just broken. Okay, so I have an answer. I can print the answer here, it's not a problem, right? Because this print you use just in the prompt, in the CMD, the prompt from Conda, actually not the prompt from the artificial intelligence. And with this, it's ending, I will get a sub header with the agent answer, and I asked to write with the answer output. Yeah, I guess this is it. Pretty simple. Just a title, a subtitle here, a spinner here. If the clicking the search button, you execute an spinner. With the spinner, the agent will search for the answer. In the end of that, will bring the answer for the user. So let's run as a Streamlit. Streamlit will be responsible to generate a web server to be able to understand your code here. So to do that, we'll do Streamlit run man py lemon loud here. Yeah, Petshop Copilot. Okay, have a problem here. So st it's not defined. Let's find out what happened. st question st dot text input here. Let me just refresh the page here. Let me return. Let's see. Okay, let's ask a question. So best toy for a senior catch. Let's put in search. Yeah, searching. Let's see the prompt here. Okay, so input best toy for a senior catch. To find the best toy for a senior catch, I will search for products. Oh, this is important. I will search for products especially designed for older cats. These toys usually consider the age-related change and limitations in mobility and playfulness. This is the main goal that you'd like here, the reacting, right? Because I have to thinking about these questions, the kind of structure to receive the answer. And this is it, guys. This is the Petshop Copilot to use LangChain with strategy of React with a possible to use multiple agents here. So this is I'd like to bring for you guys this kind of way to work of LLM. It's something that I love to do right now. I do a lot of application just look like that. And if you liked of this video, please leave your like here, share with your friends and family and teammates. Give me a comment. Would you like of this tutorial? Would you like that I do another kind of video, another kind of application? See you soon. Bye bye. Thank you.